In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page filters in Looker Studio reports. By the end, you'll be able to give viewers an easy way to focus on exactly the data they care about without changing your charts or data sources. First, make sure you're in edit mode on your report. Look to the right side of the screen for the settings panel. Here, find and click Filter Bar. This turns on the dedicated filter area for your page. If you don't immediately see the option, double-check that you've selected the page and not an individual chart, and that you're in the report editor rather than the viewing mode. Once enabled, you'll notice a new filter bar appear above your canvas, the large workspace where your charts and tables live. Think of this bar as a centralized control panel for page-level filtering. Anything you add here will filter the charts and tables on this page, keeping your layout clean while giving end users a streamlined experience. Now, click. Add filter on that bar to create your first filter. This adds a filter control to the bar and opens a field picker. The field you choose here determines what your viewers can filter by, so pick a field that aligns with how people will explore the report. For example, choose a date field if you want time filtering, a region or country field for geographic filtering, or a category or channel field for marketing breakdowns. As a tip, fields with too many unique values can make the filter overwhelming, so aim for fields that group data meaningfully. After selecting the field, choose the filters for it. Depending on the field type, you'll be able to include or exclude specific values. Use the search box to quickly find items in long lists and select one or multiple values to refine what's shown. You'll see the charts on the page update instantly, reflecting your selection. If you change your mind, clear the selection or switch to different values. Your filter bar stays in place and is easy to adjust at any time. That's all there is to it. Enable the filter bar, add a filter, pick the field you want, and select the values to include. With just these steps, you've made your Looker Studio report far more interactive and user-friendly. Your viewers can now drill into the details they need without you creating separate pages or versions. Keep your filters clear and relevant, and your report will stay fast, focused, and easy to navigate.